What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to get bait in Animal Company's new fishing update. So, you want to go ahead to the shop and grab a grappler and a glow stick. If you're... Oh, no. Oops. I forgot they deleted it. But, just go to the Megalodon. It already opens now for itself. You don't need any rotten fish or dead fish. Okay, just open. Alright. Now, go in the dead, you don't need dead fish, but that's it. So, now once you get to the page part, go up instead of actually going down. There's nothing up here. And in this hole either. Oh, maybe. So now that I'm here, you wanna go over here, like to the top, and then once you see a guy over here, go like past this red thing. And grab this. Will actually be the button for the bait. So you want to actually go out, go under this guy again. Alright, so now we're not gonna go up there because there's nowhere up there. You're just gonna want to jump down. Alright. So now we're here. We need to go over here. The tongues, not the tongues. The hearts might see you, but I'm lucky that they didn't see me. So, alright. We're at Megalodon Lake now. So, there is a station over here. If it works, I don't know if you can plug it in here. You might be able to, but yeah, if it doesn't work there, do it at lobby. Also, there's a tape over here. Alright, so once you do all of that, I'm gonna go back all the way over here. There's a teleporter over there. It manually already teleports you.
That's a really good hint.
Hope you enjoyed. And have a good day.